Hi, I'm Tracy from Yoga Time Warrior. This is just a short workshop on how we breathe in our yoga practice and what makes the difference between when we inhale and when we exhale. So remembering that in our chest to abdomen breathing, generally on an inhale, we are lengthening upwards through our spine. We then perform an exhale into many of our movements. So when we think about a forward fold movement, we inhale to prepare. And then we exhale, we draw in our lower abdominal muscles and we tip forward. That allows our pelvis to tip into position and releases through our body, allows our internal organs space so that as we compress that front side of the body, there's room there. We then inhale, pressing through our feet, lifting upwards through our spine to lengthen again. So that's a forward fold movement. When we're in a backward bending posture, so a back strengthening posture, we're opening through the front side of our body. So we're exhaling here to prepare. We're stabilizing through our lower abdominals. And our bridge, we then inhale, pressing through our feet. So we're opening through the front side of the body and our breath can expand into our chest and into the front side of the body so that we can then contract the muscles of the back side of our body. So backward bends, we're always inhaling into the posture and we exhale out of it or to prepare to come into it. In our twists, in a basic seated twist, but in any twist, we inhale to prepare, lengthening up through our spine, opening through our vertebrae so that we can then exhale, drawing in our lower abdominal muscles and our deep spinal muscles, the ones that really support the spine there. We're contracting those, visualize contracting those as we twist. We couldn't really do that on an inhale. It would make that quite difficult. So as we exhale, we're really contracting in there. And then as we inhale, we're opening up as we come back out, allowing our vertebrae to open. And then exhale to release. A lateral stretch, we also inhale to prepare. So if we think about just a basic seated lateral, we inhale, drawing our arms up. And this upward movement is lengthening upward through the spine. We don't want to hunch those shoulders at all. We're lengthening through the spine, drawing the shoulder blades together and down the back. And we exhale as we come over, as we contract that side of the body while we stretch that side of the body. So we're forming a compression there. So think about the area of the body that you're compressing. So that's how we work that exhale, inhale movement, how we're making our breathing easier. We then inhale to come back up, lengthening to then release. That's your basics of how you inhale and you exhale. So in our Yoga Time Warrior practice, I give cues for all of that. You don't need to think about that, but that's the science behind it. So if you ever get lost, that's what you need to be thinking about in order to reset yourself. Remember, you can always hit pause though. So you can come back at any time and restart wherever you need to.